Oh, a tough guy, huh? Clawed Whiskers!
Cats. There hasn't been a cat in San Francisco in 10 years.
Oh, get 'em, boys!
Outnumbered. But I still had a trick up my fur. Come on, boys. Fetch!
Nice try, Mr. Barkin. Too bad cats don't fetch.
Yeah, they were big cats. But I wasn't gonna just roll over. Or was I? Oh no. Then I remembered. Cats always land on their feet. How did I get myself into this mess? I didn't ask to be a rough, tough detective. Oh, wait. Yes, I did.
Maybe next time you keep your nose out of other people's business. Now give up the package, or sleep with the fishes.
How did you find me?
I got a nose for trouble, boss. I can smell it. It gets into my nostrils. Heaven knows.
Enough already. Just take me home.
Fluffy. What kind of a dog name is Fluffy?
Did you say something, boss?
Oh yeah, it's kind of stuffy. So gotta open a window.
I couldn't figure it. I felt like I was going in circles, around and around and around. Probably because I was chasing my tail. Ah, the evening paper. Finally.
Cats seen in city. Oh, first I'm attacked by cats, and now they're moving into town. I better get to the bottom of this. Somebody tossed my office.
It was the work of cats. They wanted the collar.
Charlie,
Ow.
you're in danger.
Chill. Tell me about it, sister.
I know you have the package. Let's meet.
All right. But someplace where there's lots and lots of dogs around. No cats.
Of course. I know the perfect place. Le Fleabite.
That dame made me want to scratch. Something fishy was going on.